Get it again with another video. Right now, if you guys can see me, I'm really in a bad setup right now, but tomorrow's 4th of July. Today is July 3rd, I think. Yeah, today's July 3rd. Tomorrow's July 4th, and I will be shooting some fireworks tomorrow, so I'm going to show you guys the fireworks I have tonight, right now. So, here we go. I want you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because I just started YouTube, and I really want to be the next PewDiePie. Even though I'm black. Not to be racist. I'll be back on gang. I have this right here, guys. This right here. It is called Fire Dragon. I have Fire Dragon right here. See that? Fire Dragon. I have a 6-pack of Roman candles. This is a 6-pack of Roman candles, guys. 5-barrel round. I also have, I don't know if this is a cake. I don't know if it's a cake or not, but I have Precious Moment. It's Precious Moment. I will be shooting these off tomorrow. I might make a video on it. So can you guys see that Precious Moment? That's Precious Moment. I won't be able to show you guys some of this stuff. Oh yeah, I want to light this one over here so bad. This one right here. Can you see it does? I don't know what it's called. Jack the Bet Surprise, I think. I think it's called Jack Bet the Surprise something. Oh my god, you guys already know what this is. If you live in Monroe or Louisiana, you should know what these are. Or Texas. These are Texas bottle rockets. And I don't live in Texas, just to let you know. This is Butterfly and Flowers firework. So that you guys know it is a firework. I don't see right there, that's the stem right there. And I also have I have a big bag full of them, so I won't be able to show them all tonight, but also the ones like the really big ones. This one's Gardening Spring. I'm going to show you guys one last more, and then that's going to be it for this video. I know I probably won't get that many views on it, but yeah, so I'll just do what I do. I'll just do what I can do. Fall out. Please don't fall out. Bang out. I got 2 packs of those Roman candles. This right here is pretty big. I'm not being gay. I know I might gotta fix my camera for this one. This one's called Green Bamboo. It's a fountain. I think it's a fountain. Put in the comment section below if it's a fountain. Just tell me it's a fountain. If it's a fountain, just tell me. This is a fountain. It's called Green Bamboo. So that's gonna be all for this video. I'm gonna wrap up this video right now, and I'll make a video tomorrow because my phone's about to go dead. I'll make a video tomorrow about the fireworks. I'll be lighting them off tomorrow. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Oh yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Peace. I am